Howdy folks, this is Michael Kreider for SlashGear.com, and today we're taking a look at the brand new HP Z420 Workstation Classic desktop computer. Now, normally we don't do videos for desktops because there isn't much point, but HP has made a point of making their computers very, very easy to disassemble when it comes to all of the internal parts. You can see I can just take off the lid like that, and we already have access to the insides. So what I'm going to be doing is taking every single component that I can out of the case, take it apart, without any tools. And we'll see just how far I can get. So, let's go. Alright, got my camera set up to give you sort of an IT admin's view of the case here. And if you've ever messed with desktop computers, you can probably name all the components that are staring you in the face here. We've got our graphics card, hard disk, pardon me, our removable disk, RAM, and it looks like we've got an extra pair of RAM DIMMs hidden underneath this fan casing here. So let's just see how much we can take apart with our bare hands. Alright, I'm going to take this, these SATA ports out of all the applicable places on the DVD drive and the hard disk. So, first of all, there's our hard drive gone. And let's see here. Let's try and get this graphics card next. They've got these kind of strange tabs here that pop out of the back of the case. Let's see here. Got to push down. There it goes. Okay, and there's this little sort of locking tab here. And it looks like this particular Fire Pro graphics card gets all of its power from the motherboard itself, so it doesn't need to be disconnected there. We've got a little wire here that has to come out. Looks like that is from the multi-card reader. So I'll make a note of that. Pull that out and thread it through. And now I think we're clear to pull this one out. And I just broke that off. Okay. Now if you heard that snap, that was one of these little plastic tabs. It looks like they are not built for lots of manipulation. But I got the card out just fine. It looks like I can probably get it back in fine too. So. Alright, what are we going to get next? Let's go for the RAM next. But I need to get rid of this casing on this external venting fan. Let's see here. It's probably connected somewhere. I can see at least one of the wires there. Let's see here. There's the housing. Alright. Pull out this wire. And it should... No, there's one more. Up here connected to the motherboard. And we've got this fan pulled out. Alright, now we've got unrestricted access to all 4 memory DIMMs. And this part's pretty standard. Just about any desktop can swap out the RAM fairly easily. So, there's 2 and 2. Okay. Now, what's left? I don't think we're going to go for the processor, because it looks like to get rid of this cooling assembly, we're going to need some extra tools. Although you can disconnect it from the motherboard. But that's just a little more than I think we want to do at this point. So the last thing we need to get is this DVD drive. And looks like I'm going to need to get the front panel off to do that. And I see these tabs here. So go, and lift it up, and there's the front panel. Go ahead and set that up top here, and to get this drive out, looks like I need to lift this tab and just slide it out. There it goes. We've got our DVD drive. Let's see here. Looks like while I'm at it, I can get that multi-card reader as well. Of course, there's still that trailing cord, but that shouldn't be that much of a problem. It's caught on something there. There we go. All right, so we have completely disassembled every component that can be got at without tools. Looks like we're still looking at one of the case fans here, the processor, of course, the motherboard, and the power supply. I'm gonna have to grab some screwdrivers to get at all of those. But overall, very easy to remove components and put them back in. And the only thing that messed up was one of these locking tabs here. But since you've got a secondary lock on this side for the graphics card, or any other PCI accessory, I think it's a pretty good deal. Alright, so this is the HP Z420 Workstation. I'm Michael Kreider for SlashGear. Thank you very much for watching.